Missouri right now, and it's starting to get pretty chilly. My hands are red and my nose is sniffly. Something that's really great, I don't know if you've ever heard of Espar heating systems, but we actually have a heating system that taps into our gasoline tank, the main gasoline tank that's in the transit van. So it taps into the gasoline tank and it sips on the gas, and it's actually a heater. It's not propane, it's gasoline, which is really crazy, and it kind of sounds sketchy, but it's a proven system and it works really well. Let me show you where it is. Right here is the heating system, so it's very small. I actually have the toilet up on top of it, but all of the hot air actually just blows right out of here. So you don't actually have to be hooked up to shore power in order to use this gas heating system. Really the only thing that takes any energy is the fan. So if I were to run the Espar system all the way through the night, then it would really only burn about half a gallon of gas, which means it's extremely efficient, especially for the amount of heat that it's giving off. The Espar controls are right next to the AC controls. So this is the Espar controls, and really all you do is turn it on. It's enabled, and then you set the temperature. Right now it's set at 89 degrees Fahrenheit, and I can turn that down to 72 or wherever I need to turn it down to. And then I can turn it up. If it's extremely cold, simply just turn it up. Whenever it's done, turn it off. Heater's stopped, and it's turned off now.